Well, down here in Dallas, I tell you what, it's pretty freaking cold. Doing this shit. But I pick up a load in the morning in Carrollton, Texas. Heading out to Tampa, Florida. I'm gonna do everything I can to try to get down to Sebring. Go see some people that mean something to me. No. And I got a good old 7436. Check yes. I finally caught it during the sunlight. About like Sasquatch. It almost took a picture of me one time. I'm better than Sasquatch though. What's up, darling? How you doing, baby doll? Look at there. That's what they call me at work. That's my truck. 1750. That's my baby. Oh. I love the color. And of course, if you know anything about me, I'm pretty daggone anal about being clean. I cannot stand a dirty truck. I don't even like these wires like that. I can't stand that stuff. I just put that on there for my E-logs. I gotta get the other piece to mount. Next week it goes like that. But anyway. And then my forward mount camera. And then the place where I look forward to going to every day. Not a lie. Right there. I like my sleep. But this is my truck. I like my truck. Yes. I'm not getting rid of Mountain Dew. And I'm getting to like this, what do you call it? Vanilla orange Coca-Cola. It sounds bipolar, but it's pretty damn good. But anyway, that's my truck. And then all the places I get to stack my stuffed animals, my voodoo witch dolls, my Indian dream catchers, and my plaques where I was awarded divorce. Just like a parole. Yeah, you frame them and you hang them. I could not tell you my wedding dates. I have no clue the days I got married. But I can tell you with scary accuracy the exact date, damn near time and second I was legally divorced. Felt like... Anyway, much love you guys. Peace.